You asked, I deliver. Boneless, skinless chicken thighs. We're gonna start off by making a spice blend that we're gonna use in 2 different places. Smoked paprika and chipotle chili powder, garlic and turmeric, cardamom and allspice, a tiny bit of ground clove, and then we're gonna finish off with salt. It should smell earthy and gorgeous like you. I'm gonna add some light mayo, a kiss of Dijon mustard, a light squeeze of lemon. I'm gonna take that spice rub and add about 1/3 of it. Mix it until every single crevice gets seasoning and love. I like to do the chicken first so it has time to marinate while I prep everything else. Wash your cucumbers, half, turn it in half again, now just slice through. And then take any tomato that you prefer and cut it into the same size as the cucumber. This gets a kiss of lemon juice as well, a little high quality olive oil, and just a light pinch of that seasoning mix. I'm gonna be using some beautiful basmati rice. Rinse and agitate with cold water until it runs bright and clear like your future. I'm not gonna be using a rice cooker because not a lot of people have one. We need a pot and a lid. Melt butter on a medium hot pan. And then we're gonna take our spice mix and actually toast the spices. The air in the kitchen should smell aromatic, but be careful not to burn the spices. After 1 or 2 minutes, add vegetable broth and bring to a boil. The second it comes to a boil, shut it up with the lid, drop the temperature to a low, and cook between 12 to 15 minutes. You can air fry, grill, or pan fry the chicken thighs. You don't need any oil because they have mayo on them. We just want to develop a beautiful char on them. This is my favorite white sauce recipe. Low-fat yogurt, low-fat mayo. Oh my gosh. A generous amount of white vinegar. This is not just a splash. Dijon mustard makes a reappearance. Just a tiny bit of caper or pickle juice. This is supposed to be watery. Adjust the mayo to vinegar ratio to whatever you prefer. The final bits of our seasoning go in, and we bottle it up to make it official. Every grain of rice should be nice and fluffy like me. I like to hit it with fresh cilantro, lemon zest, and I always let the chicken rest before I slice into it. Just small bite-sized cubes. Directly on the rice goes the chicken, salata, and then you already know the vibes that we are on. And as always, now bismillah. Even the recipe, it tastes like effort. I don't know why the white sauce getting drizzled is so satisfying.